Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody has been, there's been some talking on Facebook today, or I just found it tonight, on how to do this look. And one of the people brought up, well, it's fuzzy. Well, it's a fuzzy. It's not a vector way to do anything. But I'm going to make another size and just make it in black because you're going to get a different effect. Well, I'll tell you what, let me just start over because this is a transparency. We'll do two of them to different ways. I'm going to go to the transparency tool and I'm going to get elliptical, and then I'm going to put that in there, and then you could play with this all you really want. So we've got two different ones. I'm going to go with the solid black right now, effects, creative, and scatter. I think it used to be, in maybe previous versions, used to be called diffuse. Well, let's look at this now. Effects, creative, and scatter. You get, two different looks. And I've got it to the max. If you start with a bigger circle, you're going to have a solid mass. Where you start with a smaller circle, you're going to have a more scattered look. If you look now, we have a solid mass in the middle. On these, where we're smaller. So I don't really know the purpose of this because it is not perfect. I mean, it's not a vector now. Maybe for a printer or something, if we take a yellow box and just kind of see what it looks like, order back a page, that's what it looks like. So there is no white background, but it will not trace, and it's not, to me, it's not very appealing because everything's blurry and out of focus. Now, maybe for a printer, I do not know. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.